So what do you do if you want one of our systems installed? We find that some clients are really sure of what they want and some clients are a bit unsure of what's available. It could be that they want to improve their security, but they're not sure what that involves. A lot of people work from home now and find that they end up frustrated due to terrible Wi-Fi. It's really common for people to try various methods to improve it, such as moving the router, buying wee plugins, and it doesn't really make much difference. A home cinema is one of those ideas that many people like the sound of, but once they research it, it can grow arms and legs and just sound too complicated to do on your own. Or maybe you want a few systems installed and you want it to work with one central controller so you're not working with lots of different apps. It's often difficult to visualise what you want when you're not sure of what will work with the building or what you might need. But that's where we come in. If you've been through any of these scenarios and you're just after some advice, just get in touch and we can usually help. We've got access to loads of products and we can work with different budgets to get what you want. Our installation manager Mark has over 20 years of experience in all different projects, both commercially and domestically, so he's in a great place to offer you help with advice or questions you might have. Here's what to do. Just 1, get in touch, phone or email and explain what your issues are. You'll deal with an actual person, usually me, who can give you immediate help. 2, arrange a visit. This can be coming in to see us in our office, but normally it's one of the guys coming out to have a chat. It allows us to look at the property, check cable routes, see what the issues are on site and see how we can fix them. You can talk through your plans with the installer and he'll write everything relevant down. 3, we'll get a plan of action just for you. It could be something really simple, which can be done in one visit, or it could be a bigger project with a few different visits over a few months. We might be able to give you various options for budgets depending on your requirements. Or we'll send you a quote. If you have any more questions about it, just get in touch. Again, you'll speak to one of the team who can go through your plan, alter anything on it that you're not sure about, and if you're happy with the quote, we can then get you booked in. Most of our jobs can get started within the week, so you won't have too long to wait. 5, install. We'll give you an ETA and a timescale so you'll know how long the job will take. Once installed, we'll go through the system, show you how to use it, and we'll be on hand if you're unsure of any of it. It's not unusual for clients to completely confident while we're there, then forget what was said the next day. So we're always available afterwards to discuss anything. We'll get in touch here and there after the installation to make sure that everything's still working well, and if you have any questions at any point, we're always available. So the first step really is just get in touch and we'll have a chat.